Where are we going?
The Cheesequake meet.
So we're going to the Cheesequake meet tonight with our friend Zach with a white C5 Corvette. Really cool. But first, we're waiting a few minutes for Genaro to come over because he said he has a surprise to show us with his truck. I don't know what it is. Maybe he got it supercharged. Maybe he got a new exhaust. But I'm pretty excited to see it. He should be here in a few minutes. And yeah, we'll see what it is. Here comes G. I've never heard him pull up so quiet before. Bro.
You like the light?
The light's cool.
Yeah.
You get an exhaust?
Gotta hear it though.
I gotta hear it?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up? I rolled in a neutral so you wouldn't hear it. Ready? I did a little did you hear it yet? No.
Dude, he rolled here, babe, he rolled here in neutral and I heard it, and I was like, there's definitely something up.
Nah, I ripped the muffler right off. But it's still going through 3 cats.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
I was like...
you got the headers, right? And then they go into the Y pipe. But there's 3 cats in my Y pipe.
Okay.
And then it just goes into the Borla, which has like... There's this big ass cat that I'm actually gonna take out. Right here. So I'm gonna take this thing out and I'm gonna just pipe it. Whoa. And I'm just gonna straight pipe it. But right now the whole entire thing's off. And that's what it's gonna sound like.
My boy G.
That was intense.
Wait, right?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. That was intense. Wow, my hair's nasty. I gotta get a hat. Joey's actually taking his car to a meet. That's something else. Dude, I heard this loud rumbling outside my house. I was like, what the hell is that? And I looked out.
There's too many cool cars here. One's gotta go. David, get the Explorer out of here.
Alright guys, this is Zach.
Hi, how are you?
They can't talk back to you. Comment down below how you are for Zach.
David doesn't get any comments, but Zach's car is cool as fuck.
Yes. This hasn't ever been in the vlog before. So they gotta see. They gotta see this. No. Why would I have been in the vlog?
Not even at the Best Buy?
Yeah, that
No, I didn't.
Me.
I wasn't vlogging that. I love this in white. Going alone. Ray's going with Joey, and I'm in the bed with Zach. This thing sounds crazy from inside. It almost sounds like, when it's idling, it almost sounds like you have a subwoofer just going whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
That's insane.
It's, when we stop at the lights, you'll feel it shake.
That's insane. So what's this thing I've done?
Just heads in a cam.
Heads in a cam? That's crazy. That's it?
Yeah, they're Chevy Performance, too. They're, I forget the casting number, but it's a Chevy Performance ported heads.
Okay.
It's the Chevy Performance cam.
That's so sick. The ride's like so smooth though.
Yeah. And I have it lowered as much as you can on stock. They have lowering bolts.
Oh really? I didn't even know that you could do that.
So you literally loosen them and it lowers the car.
That's crazy. Oh wow, they're already parked. This is like insanely low. His door handle's like at our roof. Alright, guys, I didn't show you this, but you can't really tell. But this this roof is like see-through. I'll try to check this out. That's Tanner Ray's flashlight. That's sick.
love how you need like 8 guys to do a burnout.
Just driving through here. Look at straight up family in a in a Nissan. I feel so bad for them. They're probably like, what did we get into?
He's about to do another one.
He's gonna do another one?
Yeah.
Oh, we got a dip. Yeah, this meet's probably about to get shut down in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So that was a pretty lit car meet, right? What do you think?
It was alright.
It was alright.
I was really surprised that the cops didn't show up.
I know. I like the minute that the 2 steps and the burnout started, I was really thinking the cops were gonna show up, but they didn't. I mean, we left anyway, but still, just like.
And they
The
always
cops
show up
always
there
show up
because
there.
people see it going both ways on the parkway and call it in as like a fire
Yeah.
because of the burnouts. But
We have.
tomorrow morning we're leaving to Roscoe.
Yeah, we're going camping tomorrow, so it's already late. It's 11:30 almost, and we have to be up and on the road by 9 to go up to Roscoe. And we have a jam-packed week of camping.
Yes.
So that is all. Until next time, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.